Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. That's my brother, Mr. Ripley, right there. Off that Old Man album. Song we playing right now is Power Refinement. That's what I wanted to play and share with y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is another update to the $500 challenge. I got 25 trades for y'all. Okay? If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. You might hear some good music like that. You're going to learn about how to increase your money. Okay? So hit that notification bell. Okay? Okay, make sure you share this video with your friends, families, and friends. Okay? We trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. We get 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $500. And without further ado, we're going to get into the $500 challenge. Okay? We got 25 trades for y'all. Okay? And we're going to show you how money can be used as your tool, all right? And making options your slave. They're here to serve you, okay? So we're going to get right into it. The bulk of my trades was done on the NASDAQ, Nasty Nas, QQQ, okay? So I'm going to run right through them. There's a lot of trades here. 25 I got for you. I got the QQQ November 1st, 365 call at $494.51. I was out of that trade at $546.48 for a profit of $51.97 or 10.5%. Also, the 378 call in at 322.51, out at 399.48 for a profit of $76.97 or 23.86%. I have the November 12th 382 put at 460.51, out at $555.49 for a profit of $94.98 or 20.62%. I have the 379 put, same date, 485.51, out at $514.48 for a profit of $28.97 or 5.96%. I have the November 10th 390 call at 354.51, out at 396.49 for a profit of $41.98 or 11.84%. I have the November 17th 393 call at 428.51, out at 470.49 for a profit of $41.98 or 9.79%. The 391 call, 443.51, out at 506.49 for a profit of $62.98 or 12.43%. November 12th, 393 call, in at 367.51, out at 423.49 for a profit of $55.98 or 15.23%. November 15th, 396 call at 372, out at 443.49 for a profit of $70.98 or 19.05%. The 394 call at $400.51, out at $474.49 for a profit of $73.98 or 18.47%. The 395 call at $416.51, out at $445.49 for a profit of $28.98 or 6.95%. Two more for the November 17th. I got the 397 call at 448.51, out at 504.49 for a profit of $55.98 or 12.48%. The 393 call at 467.51, out at 512.49 for a profit of $44.98 or 9.62%. And lastly, for the NASDAQ, triple Q's 1119 396 call, in it at 498.51, out at $603.48 for a profit of 104.97 or 21.05%. Tell me where you are making 21% on your money in one day. Now we're going to move over to the SPY, SPY. I had the 1022 443 call at 285.51, out at 394.48 for a profit of $108.95 or 38.16%. November 1st 454 call at 239.51, out at 266.48 for a profit of $26.97 or 11.26%. Just let it keep rocking. Let it keep rocking. That's the guard right there. As long as you just let it rock. Okay. I have the November 5th 454 call at 402.51, out at 430.48 for a profit of $27.97 or 6.94%. Peace, Karma. That's my daughter in the background, Key. All right. Anyway, I have the November 8th 455 call at 417.51, out at 494.48 for a profit of $76.97 or 18.43%. I have three more for SPY on the November 8th. I got the 464 call at $223.51, out at $254.49 for a profit of $30.98 or 13.86%. I have the 462 call at $279.51, out at $335.49 for a profit of $55.98 or 20.02%. The 462 call again at $214.51, out at $247.49 for a profit of $32.98 or 15.37%. I have the November 10th 465 call for $258.51, out at $284.49 for a profit of $25.98 or 10%. Okay. Now I have two trades on ticker symbol MARA. I had the 1022 $50 call at 240.51, out at 269.48 for a profit of $28.97 or 12.04%. Then I have the October 29th $50 call again for $390.51, out at $423.48 for a profit of $32.97 or 8.44%. So thus far, these trades were brought to you by the ticker symbols QQQ, SPY, MARA, and we have a new addition to the $500 challenge, ticker symbol RWLK. Rewalk, I believe is the name of the company. You need to check it out because it's like some revolutionary technology, and I think it's pretty cool. I had 156 shares at $1.85, so that adds up to $289.04. I dumped those at $2.10 for a total of $329.12 or a profit of $40.08 or 13.86%. Now you add up all of those trades that we use that tool of $500 on, and it brings you a grand total of, 4 digits followed by 2 ciphers, $1,255.50, or a profit of 251%, baby. I'm here to let you know that you can do this. You can do this. Use your money, your spare money, money that you're willing to lose if you're wrong, as a tool, and make either the stocks or the options your slaves. Let them work for you so you can get paid. This is your brother in trading and investing, and we are going to go out with my brother, Mr. Ripley, and the Old Man album. You're going to find links below in the description. This is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute Truth or Law, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Peace. Yeah. What? Oh, today's Karma's birthday. Happy birthday, Karma! Peace.